Hi, this is Mike Turner, and this is another Boise real estate market update. Today is February 13th, and 2012, and I want to talk today about new construction and what's going on in the Boise area with new construction and why I think 2012 is going to be a big year for new home sales. First off, there's been a lot of talk of why has a median sale price gone up 29% in the last year and a half or so, and there's all the speculation that building costs have gone up, and it has a little bit, but for the most part, the biggest reason why the median price has gone up when you look at the chart, and this is the chart here for the Ada County, is you see it is up now. It's up 29%, but it's mostly due from the tax credit pushing it down. And what I mean by the tax credit effect is, when you think about the new construction the tax credit back in 2010, you got a group of buyers who are mostly first-time home buyers buying mostly starter homes, all of a sudden group up and buy a whole bunch of homes in a short period of time in the lower price range. That effectively moved down the median sale price during that period, because as soon as the tax credit was over and people stopped closing on homes via the tax credit, the prices went back up. And so yes, it's up a little bit from after that correction, but for the most part, the low we had in new construction home sales was during the tax credit because it was skewed down. So I don't think home prices on new construction has changed that much. It's just that the buyer pool who's buying homes now is less first-time home buyers and more move-up buyers and higher-end home buyers, and that's pulling up the median sale price. Second, I think you see that this is a chart on building permits provided to me by buildidaho.com, and this is a chart that goes all the way back to 1961, and you can see how many yearly Boise building permits were pulled for the county, or this is the actually whole Treasure Valley, Boise metro area, and you can see that I wrote this red line in there. This red line here indicates. I kind of show you how far back, where things are currently, and we're currently at the same levels in 1988. So we had a little bubble, then we burst, now we kind of overcorrected. There's just not that much going on, and I've already talked about how we already have crazy low inventory in Boise, and this is part of it. This kind of shows you why there's just not that much building going on. And then another interesting point for as builders go, this chart goes back to 1996. And has Ada and County, and it shows you how many builders per year there are in the area. And you can see from the mid 90s, we peaked up during the bubble, and then now we're down about 75%, because look at these numbers here, down in Ada County near the 150 mark, and we used to be up near 600. So big drop and builders in the area, and so it's a good opportunity for builders. And so the ones that are around, the ones that can participate in this upcoming market, I think the market's ready, and you can see there's kind of this kind of needed to happen, which is good, but it's also a reflection of what the market can do in a short period of time. And this chart right here I want to show you is new construction sales, of existing versus new construction. New construction is in the yellow. We've had 6 down years of the market's been declining, while demand in the Ada County has grown 31% up since the bottom. So this makes a strong argument that demand has risen for the last 3 years. Construction has gone down for the last 6 years, has created this little gap, and it'll be interesting to see, how this year plays out. But I think we've finally reached a tipping point for new construction. So look for that in 2012. This is Mike Turner. This has been another Boise Real Estate Update brought to you by Front Street Brokers. Go to frontstreetbrokers.com for more market updates just like this. We'll see you back next week.